Well, I saw your question on discussion board. Noticed it hadn't been answered for a couple days. You want to solve this system of equations using Cramer's rule. So first part's to set it up, and then second part's to evaluate it. To set it up, solve for x. I'll talk about this bottom determinant. It's just the coefficients: 5, -2, 5, -2, 1, 1. So the bottom determinant, you just copy down the coefficients once you have it in this arrangement. The top determinant will match the bottom one, except if you're solving for x, in the first column you'll have the constants, the -1, and -8. Then the other column will match the denominator. When you're solving for y, here's the denominator, so match. Then in the y column, or the second column, you'll have your constants once again. The value of the determinant in the bottom is the same for x and y. So now it's a matter of evaluating determinant. You want to take this product, -1 times 1, minus this product. Be real careful of your signs. It's minus -8 times 1, which comes out to -1 plus 8, which is 7 for the numerator. For the denominator, it'll be 5 times 1 minus -2 times 1, which works out to 5 plus 2, which is +7, which that's 1. So the denominator is 7, so for y, the denominator is going to be the same. So this product will be 5 times -8 minus this product, -2 times -1, be -40 minus a +2. When you multiply these, two negatives make a positive. It's -42 over 7, it's -6. So the solution to the system of linear equations by Cramer's rule is 1, -6. Hope that helps.